4.5 billion years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. It was a molten world covered in lava, constantly reshaped by violent eruptions. Then, something massive appeared. A planet, about the size of Mars, drifting closer and closer. Until it collided with the Earth. The impact was catastrophic. Both worlds were torn apart, sending molten debris deep into space. It began to orbit the Earth, forming a vast ring of rock and fire. Over time, gravity pulled it together. Piece by piece, the moon was born. As the chaos faded, Earth and its new moon settled into a stable orbit. And billions of years later, that violent beginning is still orbiting us today. It's crazy to think this is what created the moon.